Muscle isn't just about the gym, it's your metabolic currency, your longevity insurance, your secret weapon against midlife decline. This is the stack research created to protect and build muscle in real women, without guesswork, bro science, or blind dosing. Each compound in this vault serves a distinct role in your muscle-building kingdom. Let's meet your allies. First, CJC-1295 with Ipamorelin. This is your growth hormone amplifier. It may work while you sleep, supporting lean muscle, fat loss, and skin repair. I use this for elegant tone and strength without bulk, and may pair beautifully with any GLP-1 transition. Next, Tesamorelin. This one may target visceral fat, especially in the midsection. It's ideal if you're coming off GLP-1s or feel stuck in that skinny fat phase. Research shows Tesamorelin helps reshape the body from the inside out. If you are still actively trying to lose weight, this could be a better option. Some people will choose to alternate cycle of both CJC and Tesamorelin. Then there's MOTS-c. This is a mitochondrial ally. Research shows powerful for energy, motivation, and reducing inflammation. Women over 50 or those with low drive in the gym may love this. L-Carnitine and creatine could be your daily non-negotiables. Data shows carnitine supports recovery and fat oxidation, while creatine nourishes your brain, hydration, and muscle density. These two have promised to be powerhouses in every strong woman's stack. Optional but potent, tesofensine. Think of it like neuro-enhanced willpower. Research states it boosts mood, focus, and motivation, but it's intense, and to start slow. It's may not for everyone, especially if you're on SSRIs. Together, these form a stack of muscle allies, each one chosen for real results, having real women. No fluff, no guesswork. Your job now is to find your ideal combination. Use the vault, ask your questions, and trust that you're finally in the right place to look for answers.